Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use AI features in Evernote. First, open the Evernote application and sign in to your account. After logging in, open any existing note or create a new note. Now, look at the top toolbar and click on the AI Edit option. Once you open the menu, you'll see several AI-powered features that Evernote provides. The first option is Summarize. This feature can help create a short summary from long notes, making it easier to review important information. Next, you'll find Change Tone. This tool can rewrite your text in different writing styles, such as making it more professional, friendly, or formal. Below that is Fix Typos. This feature helps correct spelling mistakes and improves grammar, making your writing cleaner and easier to read. You'll also see Help Me Write. This AI tool can assist you in generating new content, expanding ideas, or starting a new piece of writing when you're not sure what to write. Another useful feature is Humanize. It can make AI-generated or formal text sound more natural and easier to understand. Next is Translate. This option allows you to translate your notes into different languages without leaving Evernote, making it useful for international communication or multilingual projects. You'll also notice Draft As, which helps create different types of written content based on your needs. At the bottom of the menu, you'll find more AI prompts. This gives you access to additional AI prompts and writing suggestions that can help improve your productivity. These AI tools are designed to save time, improve writing quality, and make note-taking more efficient. Depending on your Evernote version and subscription plan, some features may be limited or require a premium plan. And that's how you can explore and use the AI features available in Evernote. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more Evernote tutorials and helpful tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.